G'day, Rick from Reno Warriors. We've got a property in Heathmont that is ready for a full makeover. Let's go in and check it out. G'day, Rick here. 7 weeks on, the transformation of this house has been amazing. Come inside and let's see what's happened. Okay, so we're in the lounge room and hasn't this changed? Look how light and bright this is. We've got rid of the feature brick wall. We've added LED lights throughout the ceiling. What we've done, we actually got rid of the old polyurethane, what was over the floorboards, these original floorboards, and we've now got this beautiful water-based load product, which is what all the new homes are looking at and looking for. We come through to the dining room. The dining room speaks for itself. We got rid of the great big wall feature and created space. As we enter the kitchen, hopefully this blows you away. Have a look at the sheer size from what it was to what it is. With its beautiful glass splashbacks, stainless steel appliances, quantum quartz stone, the sheen white doors, it's ageless. This could be still standing here in 20 years' time looking as good as it does now. So what we've done here, the LED lights, bouncing, reflecting light off the floorboards, it's reflecting lights off the stone, it's reflecting the light off the splashback. Suddenly this kitchen's got energy. It's a place where you want to be. So what we've done with this house is we've painted it right throughout with just clean, crisp colours. Neutral colours to keep it neutral so it attracts the masses. Downlights throughout the whole entire house, so what we do is every single room we go to, it's the same light. It's very important. In the bedrooms we've used a quality carpet. You don't want to use cheap carpet, it looks cheap. That's where I'm different. I use quality products to get you the best price. We've done the tiles in both the bathroom and the laundry, so it's all new. All right. Now come down here and we'll check out what used to be just a bathroom. That was all it was. It just had a bath and a vanity unit. Have a look at this. Now we have a shower over the bath. We have a beautiful brand new vanity. What we now have is a fully functional bathroom with shower. Now, once was the sliding door, is now a separate ensuite. Let's go check it out. With the sliding door was a shower room, okay, so that's all this was. It is now your own private ensuite, your own toilet, your own shower, your own vanity, totally separate is your own bathroom. So this house has now gone from 1 toilet, 1 shower to 2 toilets and 2 showers. How much value we have added. Whether your home needs a major transformation like we've done to this one, or whether it's a simple garden makeover and a splash of paint, the fact is, if your house is looking tired and old, call Rick and your problem is solved.